Welcome back, everyone. Just installed Zorin OS and wondering how to run Windows software? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to install Windows applications on Zorin OS using the built-in Windows App Support feature. Let's start. After a fresh installation of Zorin OS, open the menu. Go to System Tools, Windows App Support. Click Install. Zorin OS will automatically install the required components for running Windows applications. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once completed, your system is ready to run many Windows exe applications. Very easy setup. I already have a Windows setup file called 7zip.exe in my USB. Open the USB drive folder. Right-click on the exe file. Select Open With, then Install Windows Application. Zorin OS will automatically open the Windows installer. Now the setup window looks almost the same as Windows. Simply follow the installation steps next, install, and finish. After installation is complete, the application shortcut will appear in the Zorin menu automatically. Now open the Zorin menu, then Wine, and select Installed Application. In this example, I'll open 7zip. And as you can see, the Windows application runs directly on Zorin OS. That's how easy it is to install Windows software on Zorin OS. You can use many Windows applications without switching back to Windows. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.